We're back for another video in the Spigen iPhone 17 Pro Max case series, y'all. And today we've got a couple from the Ultra Hybrid line. Okay, so it's gonna be from the Ultra Hybrid line. Two different colors we're gonna be looking at today. One is gonna be the frosted white, and the other one's gonna be the frosted black with orange. So again, these were curated for me from Brianna at Spigen. So shout out to you. That's right, I'm gonna give you a shout out in every single one of my videos, because I really appreciate you for helping make possible these cases for the video today. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up on Amazon's website, because I wanna tell you, for these Ultra Hybrid cases, they are going to be coming in at around $15.99. So $15.99, so under 20 bucks for these cases on Amazon. And you already know, don't worry about it. I'm gonna link this all in the comment section, so you guys, if you consider you wanna use these, you can use my link to help a brother out. So let's go ahead and take a look at these cases, get them open, go through our normal suite of tests, and then you guys can tell me at the very end what you think of these cases. All right, so the first one we're gonna look at is gonna be, again, the Ultra Hybrid case in Frost Black Orange. So you guys can see, looking at the back, we've got that orange contrast right there for the MagSafe. Let's go ahead and peel this plastic. See if I can come in here, the mic can hear it. On the back, get that to the side over here. So take a look around at this Ultra Hybrid case from Spigen. So at the back, at the bottom, you're gonna have raised corners on either side of your case. So it's gonna be really good for that back down protection. Then at the very top, you're gonna have an even raised camera plateau protection all the way around. So this is not gonna be like the rugged armor. That camera plateau had a higher raised lip besides this case, or sorry, besides the coverage in the middle right here. So you guys can see the middle coverage of this camera plateau. This lip is gonna be, it's not gonna be as high as the other one. Okay, so I'm gonna link that video somewhere right here so you guys can go check out that rugged armor, see if that higher raisivity on that camera plateau is more your speed. So beyond the camera plateau protection, you can already see, again, we've got MagSafe. Let's go ahead and look at the bottom. You're gonna have the symmetrical cutouts for your speaker and microphone, and then your opening for your USB-C. On the right side of your case, you're gonna have the buttons that are going to be built in or made into this case right here. So the power button's gonna be made into it. You are gonna have a covered camera button. So again, Spigen, I give credit where credit is due. You guys are doing the right thing when it comes to that camera control button. You're gonna have a spot right here for a lanyard if that is your jam. Then on the left side of your case, you're gonna have that minimal branding, Spigen right there. Volume up, volume down, and action button. And just for giggles, this is your top-down view. So on the inside, no frills, nothing fancy. It's gonna have the, they call it air cushion corners to help with that drop protection. But without further ado, let's go ahead and bring in our scales of justice right here and measure how much this case is. So remember, guys, for the 17 Pro Max, which is what I've got, it is 245 grams. So we are going to be adding an additional 39 grams to our phone with this Ultra Hybrid case. Just for goodness sake, let's go ahead and measure maybe how much bulk we're adding to our phone, okay? So it's gonna be a little bit difficult, so I'm gonna do my best to measure it, but basically what we're looking at is adding a little bit of width to your phone. We're looking at about 3.07 millimeters. So about 3 millimeters added to the width of your phone. So not too much bulk there. Let's go ahead and bring over our case and our phone, put them together, and then go through our series of tests. Y'all know how we do it on Bobby G's channel. So Spigen is always great at being no frills for putting on your phone case. So let's go ahead and take a look around our case. Real quick, we've already reviewed these, so I'm just going to take you around, show you the right side. Bottom. Y'all tell me about these cutouts. Did they do it right this time, or does it look like something's off? Left side. Back. Front. Now in this case, as I mentioned, it's going to be an even raised lip all the way around for that face down protection. So the lips on the more minimal side is going to be less of a raised lip than the rugged armor, but it's got a raised lip nonetheless. And for 16 bucks, I don't think you can beat it. Now in the back, let's look at these cameras, because this is what I was a little bit worried about, but I'll just give you guys, again, the honest truth around here. So your camera plateau is fully covered, as you guys can see right here. Your camera bumps are going to protrude past this camera plateau protection, but they're still below this outer lip of your case. I mean, I'm gonna give it maybe 2 hairs, actually maybe like 1.5, 2 hairs that this raised lip's gonna give you of protection. So it's enough to where you're gonna put down your phone and not really worried about the back and the cameras being scratched. So take it for what it's worth. Let's go ahead and check out the USB-Cs and see what we're working with that. So take off our white gloves, bring those in. We're gonna start off with that Ozempic USB-C charger from Apple first. See what it's fitting like. Y'all heard it, that's money. Let's go ahead and bring in our big boy. See what we're working with as far as room. Plugs in, no issue with room to grow on the bigger charger. Let's go ahead and check the MagSafe. I feel like the MagSafe is probably the most satisfying of these. So let's do our top down. Y'all get the first look at this MagSafe test. Make sure everything's working. All right, MagSafe is working. Again, I don't know why, y'all, that's just so satisfying. All right, y'all get some over here on the side. So MagSafe is working on this, no issue. But we come to the Bobby G corner because we know we got the ultimate patent pending testing of how strong these magnets really are. Nothing from the manufacturer. We tested on the ground level. All right, we got our Camolo tripod. Let's get it on there. And you guys can see over here on the side, I got to move away because I don't want to shake this desk, so I'm giving it the damn works over here. You guys can see we're not going anywhere with that. Top down, you guys can see this has got some good MagSafe strength, so you ain't got to worry about your accessories flying off. So I think that's everything, guys. As far as the testing goes, I'll give you feedback on the buttons and everything. Now, the in-hand feels really good. I'd be kind of a little bit concerned about these slides. They're not slippery, like I've got grip on it, but I'd be worried about maybe over time if they pick up a little bit of oils, will they become more slippery. The back's gonna be really nice on this case because it is frosted. So it's gonna be minimal on the fingerprint and all that other jazz, okay? So pretty good on that. So we spent a lot of time on this frosted black orange. Let's go ahead and switch over to the clear version or the frosted white version, and we're just going to take a look around that really fast. Everything's going to be the same on it. Camera control button's going to work the same, all that good stuff. But let's just check it out on the phone and then we'll do a wrap up. All right, and here we go. This is going to be the Ultra Hybrid case with the white accents with the frosted white back. Let's just go ahead and take a look at this together, y'all, okay? So covered camera plateau right there. Exact same case we just looked at before. Back. Right side. This one's gonna be more, if you're into clear, if that's your speed, clear cases. This one's gonna be really good. This is gonna be your jam. Buttons, lanyard, bottom, left side action button, and then on the front right there. So what do you guys think? For you, now that we've made it through the video, which one is gonna be your speed, your jam? $15.99, I don't think you guys are gonna be able to beat this for what you get for the money. So if you are Team Spigen and you wanna check out one of these cases, give them a try. See if it works for your phone, for what you wanna get out of it. Yeah, I know what I'm gonna say, right? Use the link in my comment section. Helps the channel out, helps me create great content for you guys, and I want to keep doing this for many, many years, guys. So let me know in the comment section, which one did you think is more your speed? Which one are you going to check out? Use my links. Appreciate y'all's time. It's Bobby G. I'm out. Peace.